space between when I used to be in the second. I know I'll never be alone. It's another in the fire, standing next to me. It's another in the wires, holding back the steel. Should ever need reminding of how I've been set free. It's a cross that bears a burden, another that for me. It's another in the fire. Oh, it's another in the fire. All my debts before them to one. I'm no longer slave to my sin anymore. Should I fall in the space between where I used to be in this reckoning? And the way I went through in the things of this world. And I know I'll never be alone. There's another in the fire, standing next to me. There's another in the waters, holding back the seas. Should I ever need mine, the power set me free. It's a grave that holds nobody, not that power lives in me. It's another in the fire. Oh, 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 can see the light in the darkness, as the darkness bows to him. Can see the roar, the heaven, as the place between where stand. Feel the ground shake beneath us, as the prison walls caves in. Nothing else between us, nothing else between us. Nothing in the fire, standing next to me. Will be another in the one. Back the seas. Should I ever need mine? Could you been to me? Count the joy in the night, 'cause I know that you're very. I can see the light, the darkness of the darkness bows to him. I can see the roar in the heavens, stop space between where feel the ground shake beneath us, as the prison walls caves in. Nothing else between us, nothing else between